Hello students, today we are going to start Unit 3 Inclusion. In Unit 3 has also a 3 reading section, you see here reading A, B and C, but according to your new syllabus reading A is omitted. So today we will start the reading B, including all my friends. Okay, it is the kind of poem and this is composed by Randy Bassett. As we all know, the children are same but some of them are disabled. Poet Randy Bassett has expressed feelings and emotions of such type of children in this poem, and Randy Bassett and his wife Suzanne are co-founder of Opening Hearts, motivated by their own children, and they work tirelessly to help improve the lives of such type of children with special needs and their families. And they received local and provincial awards for their efforts. Okay, so let's start the poem. And first of all, I would like to tell you some important word meanings in this poem that are used. Firstly is a backyard, that means an area at the back of the house and back of a house. And here the word used in so many times in a guise. That word is used to address a group of boys or girls. And here the word used in a spatial tube, that means an apparatus used by people who have the problem of the breathing. And hide and seek, this is the type of game you know very well in your childhood. You also played this game that is called the Luka Chipi or Chupa Chupai. And skin deep, that means not very deep. Okay, so let's start the poem line to line. I will explain you. I like to play with all my friends. They like to play with me. Okay, we play games like hide and seek and climb the backyard tree. In this poem here, Randy Bassett has explained about the children. I like to play with my friends, and you also know any children has want to play, that is they enjoy the playing games and with their friends all. Okay, and we play games hide and seek and climb the backyard. And that time they are playing and look at hide and seek play games and climb the backyard trees which are present in the back of the house. Okay, and next stanza, we run and jump and ride our bike and play the whole day through, and when a new friend comes around we let them join us too. We run and jump and ride our bike and play the whole day. They play all the day and through, and when any new friend comes around us, near neighbors or any other friend they are coming, so that time we join us and we play with them. Okay, next, some bad guys came to bother us. Bad guys means the normal children, not but the normal children, but they are mean minded. That means the poet has called them bad guys because they always irritated the disabled children. Okay, so here some bad guys are come to bother us. Bother, that means they bothering us bad words, and we knew that they would say bad words about our skin and hair and how talk to play and talk about our. Okay, so here they explaining how they read, how they play, how they what is the color of their hair, So this type of words they bothering us. Okay, we did not want to hear their words. We know that they are not right. We didn't want to hear their words, but that time we know because they are not saying correct. There's so much more to all of us if we use more than our sight. Okay, and we just ignore them and go our side, and then we all have different skin and eyes. We all have different hair. Some need a special tube to breathe in, and some need a special chair. Because some disabled child, their skin and eyes are different, and hairs or the color of the hair is also different, and some boys or girls that want to a special tube for breathing because they are disabled, and some need a special chair because they are lamb or something disabilities are present in his body or her body. Okay, but really we are all the same, we are all the same. We play, we laugh, we sleep. The mean guys had it wrong because this only look skin deep. But we know we are all the same because we play, we laugh, we sleep. All these things are same. Okay, but some mean guys, that means their thinking are very mean or cheap-paced. So their thinking are cheap-paced, so that they look the scheme deep, so that is they are wrong. Okay, so here the Randy Bossett express the feelings and emotions of the such type of children which are disabled. Okay, so in this way this poem is finished. Okay.